Welcome. As I have promised in this video, I am going to unbox and review the newest model from BBR. This is the SF90, so the 2019 car from Scuderia Ferrari. This is in 1/18 scale, and if you would like to check out this model car or if you would like to buy it, then of course you can find the link in the description. I hope you will enjoy the video. I'm going to unbox and then I'm going to review the car as well. First thing you can notice is the matte red color of the car. The paintwork is perfectly done. I found no issues around the car. The floor of the car is extremely well detailed. Some slots are pressed into the plastic, but actually some are real cutouts, especially at the rear. So I was really surprised that it was so highly detailed. The underbody is actually quite average, but I think that's the least important part of a model car. Please ignore the white marks on the wheels. They picked up some dust from the cardboard. But let's move on to the front wing now. I love the small connecting pieces on the front wing. They add a lot to the quality of the car, especially because they are made out of metal. Unfortunately, the slots on the front wing are not cut out individually, but I think still it's a really good effort from BBR. The suspension rods along with the brake ducts are spot on, though I have to remind you that the wheels are not turning on this model. The whole cockpit segment is high in details. Seb's helmet, the seat belts and the steering wheel is flawless in design too. From the car, not a single sponsor is missing and everything is as genuine as it should be. The mirrors, the side pods, the antennas and all of them everything on the car is really authentic. Moving to the dashboard area, it could be a little bit more rich in details, but after all we have the carbon fiber look and the small metal piece adding to the realism of the car. Moving to the rear part of the model, the rear wing is one of the best parts of the car. Every slot is perfectly cut out, even the DRS slot. It's an individual part glued to the end plates, so I was really pleased when I saw the level of the detail on the car. You can see the diffuser as well. It has those different sized slots. Very cool to see such complex things on a model car. And also behind the halo you can see a cooling outlet. Very cool to see such details in such a small car. Overall, I can only recommend this model car. Although it's kinda pricey, you have to decide. You buy a cheaper car made from cheaper materials containing less details, or you pay more to get a miles better masterpiece to put on your shelf. Thank you for watching my quick review. Have a nice day. Goodbye.